How to make money on Freelancer as a freelancer artist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform or the business owners that come to this platform in order to hire the best freelancers for any job online. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for a freelance artist, I will just come to the platform, go to hire freelancers, click on by skill, and here I will be able to hire any freelancer with the skill I want to. So I'm going to go with skill categories, and let's wait for it to load. Then I will be able to choose the freelancer I like or the freelancer I'm interested in. So here you can choose the skill that you're looking for. So all of those skills are related with websites, IT and software. Let's check the other categories. So this one is related to writing and content, and this one is related to design, media and architecture. This one is data entry and admin, engineering and science. So for example, let's choose cloud service, for example, and here you'll be able to hire expert software engineers for any job. By scrolling down, you'll be able to see their profiles in here. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like this one or this one to join these people, to showcase your skill in here, to showcase how much you're getting paid per hour, your skills, the description, your previous experience, your education, to talk about yourself, and to be able to get hired by the business owners or the individuals. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile like those people. So let's go to Freelancer, and here click on earn money freelancing, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my username, password, then login, and let's give it a few seconds. And this is your dashboard, guys. This is where you're going to control everything about your profile. So let's go here to this button in your top right, and here you can see your profile, your membership, your account analytics, bid insights, settings. You can see also your finances, your balance, if you want to add funds, withdraw funds, your transaction history, your financial dashboard, payment sharing, support, invite friends and log out. You can easily log out from your account if you want. And here, let's go to our profile to make some adjustments. And guys, as you can see, the profile is still new. There is no profile picture, no jobs completed, nothing in the profile, and we will need to fill all of these things. So first of all, you will need to edit your profile, but you will need first to verify your email. And after verifying your email, you'll be able to change everything about your profile, and also make sure to join the preferred freelancers and verify your identity, your payment methods, phone number, email, and connect your Facebook. All of these things will help you stand out between the other freelancers, and will help freelancers to trust you more and to suggest you to other people. And here you can choose your hourly rate, but as I said, you will need first to verify your email. Then you can fill these things, your professional headline and your summary, and here you can change your skill. Let's change it from programming to freelance artist. So let's search a skill in here, freelance artist, and let's remove freelance. So here we have voice artist, here we have artist and repertoire administration. Let's choose this one and let's remove, but there is no jobs posted in this section. Let's go with drawing artist and let's remove this one. So here you can add from 1 to 20 skills, as you can see, up to 20 skills. So if you are good at some other skills, you can add them in here. And after adding the skills, make sure to click on the save button by scrolling down. Make sure to not forget that. And as you can see, top skills, drawing artist. Then you proceed to completing these things like your portfolio. So make sure to add your portfolio. This will add more credibility to your profile. Same thing with your experience, education, qualifications, and publications. All of these things help you build trust and credibility in your profile. And after you're done with changing all of these things in your profile, then you go to browse in here, click on projects to find the jobs that are posted in the platform. So here we're going to go down. Let's remove programming and let's look for drawing artist, this one, and there is no results matched your search. Let's remove this. Let's search for artist. So here we have book artist. Let's check repertoire, no results. So I think you get the idea, guys. If you choose drawing artist, whenever there is a job posted in here requiring a drawing artist, you will find it in here, and then you will be able to apply for this job. You can also receive alerts for this search by choosing this one. You will be able to receive alerts about any drawing artist jobs that are posted in here, and you can apply for them. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.